Welcome back to Technology in the Future, your premier destination for in-depth analysis and expert insights into the latest technological advancements. Today, we are excited to delve into the captivating realm of 360-degree capture, with a specific focus on DJI's upcoming innovative device, the Osmo 360. This revolutionary camera is poised to transform the way we create and experience immersive content, opening up new avenues for creative expression and storytelling. DJI's expansion into 360-degree capture, a new era of innovation. DJI, a renowned name in the drone and action camera industry, is poised to expand its horizons with the Osmo 360. This cutting-edge camera promises to deliver stunning 360-degree footage, providing content creators and enthusiasts with a powerful tool to capture and share their unique perspectives. By venturing into the realm of 360-degree capture, DJI is demonstrating its commitment to innovation and its dedication to empowering creators with the latest technologies. Revolutionizing immersive storytelling, the creative possibilities of the Osmo 360. The DJI Osmo 360 is expected to revolutionize the way we capture and experience immersive content. With its ability to record stunning 360-degree footage, this camera promises to unlock new creative possibilities for content creators, filmmakers, and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're looking to capture breathtaking landscapes, document events, or create immersive experiences, the Osmo 360 is poised to become an indispensable tool in your creative arsenal. Recent leaks and renders have provided us with a glimpse into the design and features of the highly anticipated DJI Osmo 360. This cutting-edge 360-degree camera is expected to boast a compact and ergonomic form factor, making it easy to carry and use on the go. The Osmo 360's sleek design promises to provide users with a seamless and intuitive experience, allowing them to focus on capturing stunning 360-degree footage. Release date and availability. Capitalizing on the holiday shopping season. While an official release date hasn't been confirmed, recent FCC filings suggest that the Osmo 360 could be launched as early as late November. This timely release positions the camera to capitalize on the holiday shopping season, making it a potential gift for tech enthusiasts and content creators. As the holiday season approaches, the Osmo 360 is poised to become a highly sought-after device, offering users a unique opportunity to experience the thrill of 360-degree video capture. Redefining the landscape of 360-degree video capture. The Osmo 360 is poised to redefine the landscape of 360-degree video capture. With its advanced features and sleek design, it offers a compelling alternative to existing 360 cameras on the market. As we eagerly await its official release, the possibilities for creative expression and immersive storytelling are truly limitless. The Osmo 360 promises to unlock new avenues for content creators, filmmakers, and enthusiasts, providing them with a powerful tool to capture and share their unique perspectives. While the Mini series has consistently impressed with its portability and performance, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to push the boundaries even further. Some of the anticipated upgrades include a larger sensor, designed to deliver improved image quality and low-light performance. Enhanced AI tracking is also expected, providing more accurate and reliable subject tracking capabilities. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature 5G connectivity, enabling faster data transfer and smoother remote control. Extended flight time and improved obstacle avoidance, enhancing the aerial experience. The Mini 5 Pro is also expected to boast a longer flight time, allowing users to enjoy extended aerial adventures without worrying about running out of power. Furthermore, improved obstacle avoidance capabilities will provide safer and more autonomous flight, giving users the confidence to capture stunning footage in a variety of environments. A new era of drone photography. The DJI Mini 5 Pro's potential impact. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to redefine the landscape of aerial photography, offering users a powerful tool to capture stunning footage from new heights. With its anticipated upgrades and features, this compact powerhouse is expected to elevate the aerial photography experience, providing users with a unique opportunity to push the boundaries of creativity and innovation. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to revolutionize the world of drone photography, striking the perfect balance between portability and power. Its compact design and sub-250g weight make it easy to carry and fly, while its advanced features enable stunning aerial footage. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a beginner, the Mini 5 Pro offers a user-friendly experience and exceptional results, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of users, unleashing creativity and capturing breathtaking moments. As drone technology continues to evolve, the Mini 5 Pro represents the next step in aerial photography and videography. With its innovative features and impressive performance, it's set to inspire creativity and capture breathtaking moments from the sky. Whether you're looking to capture stunning landscapes, document events, or simply enjoy the thrill of flying, the Mini 5 Pro is poised to deliver an unparalleled aerial experience. Stay ahead of the curve, latest updates and insights. As more information about the DJI Mini 5 Pro emerges, we'll be sure to keep you updated. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest tech news and reviews, ensuring that you stay ahead of the curve and informed about the latest developments in the world of technology.